So today we're talking about a command called figlet. It makes sort of ascii art out of text. So let's get to it. First thing we need to do is install figlet. So we do a sudo apt install figlet. I'm going to do a -y just to push it through. I just did an update, so that's why there. So it looks like it's installed. Now what we can do is say figlet and then something. So like the please subscribe. So see, that's pretty cool. It makes, so if you just put a figlet in the command and then you can put it in there. So you can even pipe this out to text, so to a text file. So you could say figlet subscribe, something like out.text. And now when you do a cat on that, there you go. So anyways, it's more of a fun program. And you can certainly use uppercase with it. I didn't do it here, but there's no reason you couldn't. Anyways, I think basically you get the idea. So oops, let's do it without that. And there you go. So anyways, just a fun little utility. Nothing too crazy, but it is a good one to know about, and just a fun one to play with. Anyways, thanks for watching.